landing. Ayan. Oh, look, it's Okada. I see Okada. It's Okada. Amarang Okada. Right now we are landing in NAIA. We're landing in NAIA, guys. As you can see. Alright. Touchdown in Manila. Ooh! It's a Boeing 777 by Japan Airlines. Oh, Mama, Boeing 787 that's going to Singapore. Fly scoot mo pa Singapore na. And Mama, A321-200 Cebu Pacific, Mama. Pakadto na Hong Kong. Bukas na chapter, Mama. Flight schedule before pakadto na Hong Kong, Mama. Amo mo na, Mama. Sakay na papuli sa Singapore. Dako na. I think. Cause Amarang international area daw. Pakadto na Saudi Arabia ang dako, Mama. Boeing 777 going to Saudi. Ayan mo na. Dubai nga, Ma. And look, may Emirates Airlines, Cebu Pacific. There's an Airbus.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Time now for your convenience is 9 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning. And the day today is 6th of April 2025 on a Sunday. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for any items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please the plane now. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Garcia with First Officer Gabato and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying